Now, please remember that these videos are not for you to compare your hair to anyone else's hair. I want you to feel confident in your hair texture. Listen, this world that we live in is full of hair wonders. And by hair wonders, I mean different textures, different lengths, different colors. Yes, and I am here for it all. I know that there is something that you can do with any length of hair. You just got to get creative and do what fits you best. Because what one person may think look good on them, you may not like that much. So I'm just brushing her hair to the back because I didn't say it, but we're doing a simple ponytail. This ponytail is going to be universal. I'm going to show you different ways on how you can style a ponytail, but this is the basics. Just brushing it and getting it into place and getting this hair bow on. So let's go. With a ponytail, I just like to use my hands and just cuff them. Don't mind the mousse, but to cuff it. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Put the hair in a cup like this, and then I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to start with this brush, and then I'll most likely use the soft bristle brush. So now that it's cuffed in my hand, I'm just going to brush as I am detangling, as I am perfecting this ponytail. This is why it is important for you to choose the brush or a comb, because you can also do this with a comb, but it's important for you to choose the right tool so that you're not pulling your hair out, and you want to detangle it in the most effective way. Getting rid of as many lumps in the hair as possible so that we can get this ponytail sleek and clean as possible. And as I brush it into place, I do make sure that I am cupping the hair or grasping the hair tighter and tighter so that the hair stays into place. When it comes to a ponytail, you can do it however you want. You can do a high pony, a mid pony, or a low. So we're just going to start with the high ponytail. And you just need a hair bow of your choice. I like to put my fingers through like this, and once it gets through, I open it. I'm putting my fingers through and I'm opening it to stretching that because I need this to go over the hair. So I'm actually going to cuff her hair and then use my other hand here to pull this bow down. So let's go. I'm cuffing. You see my finger here? I'm going to use my free hand to place the hair bow over. So now it's like this, and if I let go of this hair, it's gonna fall out of place. I want this ponytail nice and tight. So I'm going to turn my hair bow to where it looks like this. Kind of like it's making an X right there. Kind of like an infinity symbol or something. All I did was switch hands. I turned, and now this hand is going to grasp the hair. And I'm not going to let go of the hair until this hand has it already. Still holding on. Now that this hand has all the hair, I'm going to do the same thing. Use this hand to go over like this. Same situation. A lot of excess hair bow room left over, so I'm going to twist like I'm turning a key. Make sure my hands are in position to grasp, not letting go of this hair with this hand, and made a good switcheroo. Have a little more. Sometimes you don't have to have it so tight, but if I'm only doing it one more time because I want to, but trust me, you can leave as much room as you want. Now we have the ponytail holder on, but is she gonna stay like this? Listen, if you want your hair to stay like this, then you'll be done. But I'm gonna brush her down, put some mousse on it, brush her down. And I'll show you a few things that you can do to this part of your hair. So the hair is sleeked up already. She has a few wispies, but it's not gonna hurt anyone. Have some mousse. Just gonna add that on here. Get the product off my hand. And for this, you can use a comb or a brush, just as long as we're not taking our hair out, okay, in this process. So be gentle. So even though the hair is cuffed here, I still want to make sure not to snatch her hair strands out of her head, okay? So I'm also going to cuff as I brush. Just like that. The tighter you squeeze, the less likely you are to hurt your scalp. And we're not doing that here, okay? So you saw me use the brush. Same way with this wide tooth comb, I can comb as well. So it just depends on what you want to do. Now, she can go off and wear her hair just like this. It's fine, but it's okay. It's still cute, okay? Remember that cute bow I just showed you? Yeah, it's cute. Determine what you want to do. If this is your desired style to just have a ponytail, you can either just have it out like this. I'll show you different ways of doing it. I'm not going to show you how to use heat. I would like for you to be safe. Have a parent, a guardian, an adult, someone that can assist you with adding curls or cramps, anything that requires a heat tool. I am going to show you the different things that you can do without the heat tools, okay? So let's get into it.